Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to remove a contact from your favorite list in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. First we have to open our phone book, then we need to go to the contacts, and at the top we have our favorites folder or favorite lists. To remove a contact from our favorites, we need to tap a contact that we want to remove. Then we need to tap this little hidden menu here, and at the bottom left we have this little option. We simply need to tap it once. Let's back out, and contact has been removed from our favorites. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.